Hello. We're gonna do a room tour. So right when you come in, you got this nice portrait of an old camera. This is how cameras looked back in the day. And then you have the bathroom. So I'll just show you guys how this door slides. So it's like a little slider action. Come into the bathroom, you have this mirror right here where you can see, and this is the toilet. So I like how the toilet is separate from the shower. This is Planet Hollywood. Everything is like Hollywood themed, and yeah. And then we got shelves if we want to add anything. I'm definitely gonna utilize those. And then we have this mirror. Oh, okay, LED, love that. So you can turn it on and off. If you go into the shower, you can kind of see just your regular shower, y'all. Nothing fancy in there. This little LED Planet Hollywood sign is so cute. Now we get into the meat of the room. So, like where to start? We have another luggage area here. Really cute. You can put your luggage so it's not on the ground. And then we have this part which has mirrors. Again, if you come over here, you can see the mirrors. This is a mirror here, and then you also get a safe and more storage to put clothes and all of that. Next we have the TV section. He said there's like drinks and stuff, so let's see. He made it seem like it was way more than this, but this is what we have: water, Pepsi, and if you drink beer. All right, and then here it looks like we have another closet section with more storage. We also got some robes. So this is so cute. Definitely gonna utilize this. And then of course another mirror, which y'all love the mirrors, like love the mirrors. Okay. And then so cute. More storage area here. And then they got these nice little chairs to go with the Hollywood theme, y'all. This is so cute. Definitely gonna be sitting here. And then if you turn around, you see the couch. Everything is like purple to match the theme. And then you also see the beds. There's one and then two. And then again, matching with this Planet Hollywood theme. So cute. All right, let's go outside, y'all. So this is the way outside. We have a nice little balcony. Let's go check it out. Come outside, and this is what you see. Muting the clip so I don't get copyrighted, but I was basically just showing you guys the view from my room to the rest of the resort, and y'all, it was so beautiful. Not gonna lie, I definitely love the view. Also, these chairs were really nice if you want to just lounge, read a book, you know, chill out outside on the balcony. I do not recommend this resort though. Let me know if you guys want a whole video on it, but I love you guys. Bye. Thank you for